And hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al, and today, just in case, I got my top ramen soups on the advice of a lot of my churchgoers who are Southeast Asians and Asians. They told Uncle Al, grab a box of these. We don't want you to starve. So I did, and don't worry folks, I won't starve. I grabbed one of these. That's so nice. Last couple of days, I got over 160 plus. I just finished another church call. People are panicking. They're worrying that Biden will send them back to their home countries and they're going to get executed. I told them no. And I'm a little bit nervous because I was going to ask them to interview them, but they're like, how can I say what I told to Morning Light? They're shitting bricks. Oops. I don't want my throat to get cut. Now Hubble's cat says, oh, that's just irrational fears. Well, true, it could be, but I have to calm a lot of people. And right now, that's why I'm taking a few days off. I'm doing the food runs, and I have to calm down people. It's really serious, folks. A lot of people are nervous. The geopolitical games that are playing right now got me nervous because a lot of you are still in a little bubble, especially the ones that are homesteading. Okay, you cannot outrun a nuclear war. I'll just hop in the RV and drive away. To where? Okay, this is why I ask people, do you have a fallout shelter? Uncle Alan isn't stupid. I have one for my family. That's room for 42 people. Nobody else. If you come up showing up there, Uncle Alan's going to take care of the problem. Because family, I have to take care of my extended family. No matter how stupid they are. Okay, this is why Uncle Alan's very tired and very sick. I hope you understand what's going on. We are not regional. We are in a bigger community, and that bubble's shrinking. And China did not congratulate Joe Biden. They're worried that they might get found out that they did all these dirty tricks and they all put money into big tech. But big tech's been taking a lot of meth and been bragging before everything is settled. And somebody, thank God, showed real figures. It's 290 versus 214. Now that doesn't make sense because the electoral college is only 350. So why didn't the other part of the 214 or 215 switch over to Biden? Okay, if you add the total, that's over 500 and some votes. There's only 350 votes in the electoral college. Something stinks in Denmark, and it isn't this. This is why Trump is doing all the legal lawsuits. He would have accepted it if it was more over to our President-elect Joe Biden fairly and decreases his electoral. But it's secured on his side. Biden came up with, okay, you went over 50, but there's only 350 in electrical college, and within a couple of weeks they're going to decide. So where did you get these votes? And China is nervous that they might get busted. So I have to calm down everybody. Wait until everything settles down. Okay? Be alert, be prepared, be organized. And those people who voted for Biden, it could be the biggest scam or psychops in the world's history. And you have a nice day.